So you say that there's a growing awareness that disruptive innovation depends on multiple technology factors, no? Such as IoT, augmented reality, and so on. May you better explain us?
Yeah, I think innovation in general, it happens when you have an intersection of, a couple of different forces that create some new unexpected idea. So I think you could think of Internet of Things really as innovation between machines and the cloud. When you intersect the machine with the cloud, amazing things can happen. Right. You could think of augmented reality as an intersection of human and cloud. A new way to provide digital information to human to better empower humans. So I think these are good examples, but there are so many examples in life, and particularly in industrial world, in digital transformation examples, where it's really not just an independent technology, but a hybrid of several things coming together that creates a new possibility.
Human capital is key for innovation, no? And it's the central topic here today at the WMF. What's your opinion?
Well, I think human capital is incredibly important. I don't think humans are ever going away. And so the question is how to make humans more capable. And one of the reasons I'm so excited about augmented reality is it really is bringing the power of digital to humans so that human expertise can be captured digitally and then delivered, let's say, to a new employee, or an expert can capture their best practices and share it with somebody who's not an expert, or with a remote customer, or what have you. So I think one of the things that makes me so excited is this technology, augmented reality, which really will fundamentally allow us to digitize what people know and store it and replay it through people again later. So I think it's a big technology breakthrough that's going to solve a problem that virtually every company suffers.
PTC is an historical technical design company, and it is changing all over the time. So how are you managing the digital transformation inside PTC?
Well, yeah, we have been through a big transformation. We've changed our technology, we've changed our strategy, and actually we've changed our own business model to go from selling software as an asset to selling software as a service, which of course many customers want to do with their physical products. So I think for us, we've had to create a vision, and then we've had to work hard actually to change the culture. This word transformation means change form, and humans don't like to change form. They're part of the form of a company, and the hardest part to change. So we've tried to guide the transformation of the culture. But also, we look at hiring as a tremendous opportunity to make step function changes. Because every time we hire somebody that looks like the future, that person is pulling us into the future. And every time we hire somebody that looks like the past, it's one more person we have to transform. So I think cultural change is a challenge. It's been a challenge for me at PTC, and I think it is for every company. But certainly cultures can be changed. It's just not easy to do it.